Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mishakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In the Christmas series, the next nail art is Holly and Reindeer nail art. So let's get started. Guys, I have created some other nail art in the Christmas series, so please do take some time and watch those videos on my YouTube channel. They are very short videos, like 2 to 3 minutes, so please do watch and subscribe to my channel. And this is how your final nail art will look like. I want to call this reindeer the Rufous the reindeer. I don't know why. Okay, so Rufous the reindeer and Holly nail art for you guys for this Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Mishakal Me, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I shall meet you tomorrow. Until then, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.